Hi, good morning. In this video, discuss about the Gemini viruses. This Gemini viruses is the new syllabus in the degree first semester students. In this video, we will learn about special details of the Gemini viruses, their structure, their genome and their viral symptoms. Let us start the topic of the viruses. Gemini viruses is family is, it belongs to family is Geminiviridae. Gemini virus family is Geminiviridae. These Gemini viruses contain small single-stranded DNA infecting plants. So their genome is the small single-stranded DNA infecting plants. So their genome is a circular small single-stranded DNA. These Gemini viruses is non-enveloped icosahedron shape. Icosahedron virions consist of capsid. Non-enveloped means actually viruses have two components. Viruses have only two components. No cellular organization. It contains only two components. One of their genome and the other surrounded protein coat is the capsid. These are the two components. Animal infecting viruses have additional layer around the capsid. It is called a envelope layer or envelope. This envelope is made up of like a proteins, carbohydrates and liposaccharides. So in this Gemini viruses, the additional layer around the capsid, the envelope layer is absent. So that's why non-envelope means the envelope layer, the additional layer is absent in Gemini viruses. And additional layer absent, it appear like a icosahedron shape and consists of surrounded capsid. The capsid is twinned. It consists of two subunits. The capsid is twinned, consists of two subunits. That's why it name has a Gemini viruses. Once again, non-envelope means the additional layer around the capsid. The envelope layer is absent and appear like a icosahedron shape and consist of surrounded capsid. These capsid is twinned. It means it consists of two subunits. That's why it name has a Gemini viruses. Gemini viruses means two subunits of the capsid, and their genome is single stranded. Their genome is circular single stranded DNA. Their genome is the circular single stranded DNA. This genome is either segmented or non-segmented. Their genome is two segments or not segments. Their genome is segments or fragments. It means pieces. Two segments are not segments at all. Not segments. These non-segmented fragments consist of 2,500 to 3,000 nucleotides. Non-segmented fragments consist of 2,500 to 3,000 nucleotides long. Nucleotides means generally DNA is made up of nitrogen bases and phosphate group and sugar groups. That structure is called the nucleotides. So in this non-segmented fragments consist of 2,500 to 3,000 nucleotides, and segmented fragments consist of 4,800 to 5,600 nucleotides. 4,800 to 5,600 nucleotides long. So these Gemini viruses are transmitted by through transmitted by insects like leaf hopper. Gemini virus are transmitted by insects like a leaf hopper and white flies. Here vectors is the leaf hopper and white flies transmitted by insects like a leaf hopper and white flies. Their genome is mode of replication genome is rolling circle. So Gemini viruses utilizing the rolling circle, the mode of their genome, mode of replication of their genome by rolling circle. And how to identify the Gemini virus diseases? First, they identify the type of plant or crop. First, identify the type of plant they infect. And next, number of DNA segments. And next one, mode of number of DNA segments. First identify the type of plant or crop they infect, and next number of DNA fragments, and next one type of vector. These are based the identify the Gemini viruses diseases. So symptoms of the diseases. What is symptoms of diseases? First, the plant show the stunted growth. Stunted growth means not development. Short plants, stunted growth. The plants show the stunted growth. And next, vein swelling. And second one, leaf curling. Leaf curling means leaves become curled. So leaf curling. So symptoms is the stunted growth, leaf curling, and vein swelling, bright yellow mosaic and yellow mottle. These are the symptoms of the Gemini viruses. But how to prevent these Gemini viruses diseases? Apply systematic insecticides to reduce the to reduce the population of the white flies. So apply the systematic insecticide early to reduce the population of the white flies. These are the totally topic of the Gemini viruses. Once again repeat the Gemini viruses. Gemini viruses belongs to family is the Geminiviridae. These are small single-stranded DNA infecting plants. Single-stranded DNA and infecting the plants. The Gemini viruses is non-enveloped icosahedron virions and consist of capsid. What is the meanings? Non-envelope means generally viruses has two components. One of the genome surrounded protein coat capsid, but some animal infecting viruses have additional layer around the capsid. These additional layer is absent in Gemini viruses. It appear like a icosahedrons and consist of only capsid and genome. The capsid is again twinned. It means consist of two subunits. Capsid 1, capsid 2, two subunits. That's why it name has a Gemini viruses. And next one, their genome is the circular small single-stranded DNA. The genome is segmented. Two segments are not segmented at all. Non-segmented virus contains 2,500 to 3,000 nucleotides long. Segmented virus contain 4,800 to 5,600 nucleotides. So the mode of replication by rolling circle. Their genome is mode of replication by rolling circle. So vectors transmitted through by insects like a leaf hoppers and white flies. The viral diseases are transmitted by insects like a leaf hopper and white flies. These are the Gemini viruses. Symptoms. What is the symptoms? It show the stunted growth. Stunted growth means not to development of the plant, short plants, and leaf curling. Leaf becomes curled, leaf curling, and vein swelling, and yellow mottle, bright yellow color. These are the symptoms of the Gemini viruses diseases. So, how to identify the viral diseases? First, they identify type of plant or crop. Identify type of plant or crop, and number of DNA segments or number of DNA fragments, and next one type of vector, number of DNA segments and type of vector. And next, how to prevent the viral diseases? Apply systematic insecticide early to reduce the population of the white flies. Okay, here completed the Gemini viruses. These Gemini viruses is the 5 marks question in degree first semester students. It is important, and in this year it is a new syllabus for degree first semester students. So that's why it is focus on the exam purpose. Thank you so much for watching this video.